Last month I made over $1,000 in passive income on this website. You can make money too, either on Redbubble or different print-on-demand platforms, but what you need to do is start uploading some things. That's what this video is about. You need to think about your skills or lack of. I've said before that you don't need design skills to be making money on this website, and that's still true. There are even successful designs made using paint, which I'll show you an example of. This guy, believe it or not, is one of the top sellers in the paint category. There's 225 designs on under that paint tag. If you look on the black version of the shirt, you can see he's just uploaded a JPEG file. There's no thought gone into it whatsoever, really, and I can promise you this will look atrocious when it's printed. It's just a white square on whatever colour shirt it is. Even on white you can tell around the edges there's a white border. He's one of the top selling designs in this category, which just proves you don't need to be an artist to be making money on this website. You don't need Photoshop either. You can use GIMP, which is a free Photoshop alternative. You just go on the website and download it. I'll put the link in the description. Or you can use something like Photoshop Online, where it basically gives you a flash version of Photoshop. And you don't need to use the artistic tools either. You can just use the font tools. I'm going to show you a font design now. This one is one of the top selling Game of Thrones designs. It's a huge category, Game of Thrones, very popular, probably making more money on this shirt than I am in my whole portfolio. Any one of us could have come up with this. It's just black text, which looks like a default Windows font, and a little bit of white at the bottom. It's nothing revolutionary. He's not an artist, he just put text on a shirt and he's making money. If you don't have any of those skills or you want to be lazy, you can outsource the design process to someone else. That's where websites like Fiverr come in. I'll put the link to this in the description as well. So when you go on the website, click Graphic and Design, you'll be taken to this page, go up to the top and click T-shirts. It will give you a list of artists that are available to create your t-shirt for as little as $5. So sort by best selling or recommended, have a look down the list to see what you like the look of, and just make sure you check the reviews before you buy. And bear in mind, their first language might not be English, so just be clear with what you want, be very specific, and don't expect a masterpiece for $5, but they will help you realise your design. So you can see $5, $5, $5, some of them are more, obviously just choose whatever your preference is. So going back to Redbubble, what I want you to do after watching this video is just have a look on this website. It doesn't have to be t-shirts, have a look at the different categories that are available. Just see what's out there. So just for example, going on the pillows section, what I want you to do is have a look and just brainstorm some ideas. So not ripping things off, but just thinking about what the designs are that are selling, and could you have done that if it wasn't already on there. So don't sort by most relevant, sort by what's trending or what's top selling. You can even put things in the search bar. You don't have to go on this particular category, you can go on anything and just have a look what's selling on there and think, could I have created that? What I then want you to do is just write down 5 ideas that you've got. Think of things that are happening in your life, your hobbies, your interests, your skills. What's happening, what are you watching, those sort of things. What would make a good t-shirt or pillow or sticker or something like that, and just write down what those 5 designs are. You don't have to do anything more than that, just think of what those 5 designs are. After you've got those 5 designs, you can think about how to realise that, whether that's using something like paint, which I wouldn't recommend, but obviously you can still make money using that, or whether it's using GIMP or Photoshop Online, or outsourcing it to Fiverr, whatever you want to do. Bear in mind, I got started on this website by accident. I wanted to make something that wasn't available, so I created it myself, I uploaded it, and when I looked at it, I thought it looked atrocious. I wasn't going to order that, I left it at that. Within 2 weeks, someone had bought that shirt, which I didn't even realise was possible. I got an email saying, "You've made a sale," and they wanted to give me £4, which is about $5.50. This basic design, which I wasn't even happy enough with to buy for myself, someone else had purchased and I was making money. The point I'm trying to make is my first sale was an accident. So if it's possible for me to accidentally make money on this website, imagine what you can do taking on board the advice I'm giving you and actually focusing on generating sales. Give it a go, brainstorm some ideas, and I will see you in a future video.